Namaskar to all Samitians. Myself, Mitesh Mehta. Now, today I represent a physics practical introduction. So now my subject is a physics practical, and today we discuss about the syllabus, how to retain in your record books, and today we showing some setups for the first time because now in our laboratory going in the two sem. Now before Diwali, we perform the practical total number 8, and after Diwali, may be possible to as per the day come should become, we perform more 8 or 9 practicals. And then after one of the exams should become on the month of the March, April. Now this exam contains of 50 marks, and this 50 marks divided in two parts. Like the first part is a 20 marks exam, and the second part again the 20 marks. So total 40 marks for your experiment performance, and 10 marks. 10 marks coming from the viva and the record book and your behavior and your presence of laboratories. So friends, what is the importance of the practicals? Now you know very well in the higher standard like science. Whenever you select the science, it's a very good because you are the future like a doctor, scientist, and the engineers. And I know as a college level, it is most important to perform the practical on that place, and then after the ratio of marks is a similar the same like a physics practical. The 50 marks exam should be conducted by the college, and the theory is a different marking system, but that place is a compulsory you passing in the physics practical. Whenever you fail in the physics practical, so whenever suppose you passing in the theory, so you are not allowed to going in the next level. So practical, what is the importance of practical? Now, day by day, is a science is a very tough subject. We know very well. But suppose you have knowledge of the practical, you showing a live demo, live setup. So very easy you conduct and very easy understood the theory in as well as in the class. So friends, in the science it is a very important. You conduct the practical is very confidently, and then after understood all the practicals, and then after you going in the next level. So friends, today we starting with the first our experimental list. You showing in the screen the practical number E1 starting to E8. So it is the first same practicals, means before Diwali, means up to Diwali we performing that practicals as per the regular schedule, and then after so Diwali second sem we performing remaining practicals. Your practical exam have two parts. Now you perform the one practical from the 1 to 8 is individual, and the second part you perform the any one practical from the 9 to 17. It is must be required as per the discussion. One part 20 marks and the second part again the 20 marks. So now first we discuss here the all the setups like 1 to 8. So first we showing a vernier calipers. Now vernier calipers, it is a setup like a vernier calipers. What is it using? Now with the help of this setup, we found the diameter and the radius of object. For which object? Like object, those are value have 10 raised to plus power. Means some bigger, like one is a beaker, you showing in the screen, one is a cube, and second is also one cube. So whenever we found the radius and the diameter of given this object. Now second thing, you showing a scale like here, some part of the two scale like a, it is a starting 0 to 18 maximum 19. It is a main scale, it is a main scale, and then after you showing a lower side, so it is a vernier scale, means a vernier division, friends. So it is a very easy, we showing here two scale, one is a main scale and second is a vernier scale. Now again, So it is a first setup, like we show here. Now second. So after second setup, micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer means now what is the use? The same use. We found the radius and the diameter of given object. So which type of object? Name of micro. Micro means those objects have the value 10 raised to minus power. Means micro. So that time definitely we found the radius and the diameter. So in the screen you showing some thin wire because those value have definitely 10 raised to minus power. So that time we using a micrometer screw gauge. Now this setup have two values. One is a main scale and second is a vernier scale. So again we show it is a main scale. Now you show the screen and it is a vernier division. It's a circular scale. So as a time of practical, we definitely showing in the live this setup main scale and the vernier scale. So it is a second number of setup, like third number. Now it is a spherometer. Spherometer you showing this type of round have a one scale starting from 0 to 10 upper side and lower side 0 to 10 and one of the circular scale. So spherometer, what is the use of this spherometer? So we found a radius of curvature of this spherical surface. In standard 10, you know, like a spherical surface have the outer and inner, like a concave lens and the convex lens. So we found the value of capital R. So that time we using a spherometer. Now this spherometer have a two value again. Now the one value is a main scale, it is a main scale, and second is a circular scale. Now you showing here. So now it is a third number of setup we showing in our physics laboratories. Now four number. So it is a beam balance. Now beam balance, we every time showing a balance. In we are going in the outside, they put a one small gram like kilogram in one side, and second side he put some object and they give the balancing. So here we note down the weight of given any small object, not a bigger, because here we using a milligram and the smaller grams values like at 1 gram, 2 gram or 5 grams. So in the big scale we are unable to found the weight. Okay, we have the digital scale also, but now it is scientific balance. So that time we are showing a main correction. Okay, friends, so it is a four number of setup like a beam balance. Like now number next, it is a vectors. It is a mathematical practical. It is a parallelogram. Now this practical have you showing a three hangers. Now what is the use of this hanger? First we showing that you showing a first hanger is a second hanger here and the third. Now this practical as a mathematical graphical practical. Now here we using the same mass like a one number and the second number of the hanger, and with the help of first and second we found the value of third one. So it is also a one diagramical and the mathematical practical. It is a very interesting practical. Whatever whenever you showing in the live demo, definitely you very happy because here we using some of our minds. Without the scale and without the protector it is not possible. So definitely in this practical we want compulsory pencil, the rubber, so eraser, then after a one protector and the one big scale. Now next one. So after we showing a next setup, simple pendulum. Name is enough. Why? Because in standard 9 we showing our one activity in our textbook, in the science textbook. Now what is the use of this simple pendulum? Now you know the value of small g is a gravity, and the value we retain in our from textbook, it is a constant value like a 9.8 meter per second square or the 980 centimeter per second square. So with the help of this simple pendulum, we found the value small g with the help of oscillation. So what is the oscillation? Now in standard 9 one activity you showing in your textbook. Now you showing this simple books on your is a normal position, and then after he moving in the left side, again coming in the center, then after going in the right side and coming again in the center. So that time we note down a one oscillation of given this simple books. So this practical performing in the base of oscillation. Now this practical we count total 20 oscillation, and with the help of stopwatch we note down the timing and retain in our record books, and after we solve the equation, so we found the value g, and we try best in our side to answer should become 980 or near equal, because last year one of the two groups really they perform a very hard and they coming the answer with the 981. It is an accurate answer. Okay, 980 is not possible, maybe because of air also available. So that time we are unable to count the clear oscillation, but we try our best. So that time definitely your answer should become near equal 980. Okay, friends, so next setup. Now, coefficient of friction. Friction. Because it is also one of the topic we showing in standard 910. Suppose we have two surface. Suppose one table, and this table surface have no plane, and that time we put a block. It is a wooden block, and that time we want to moving this block on this surface very easy or not, as a depends of the friction. So this practical also we showing in our laboratories. Now we showing a one pen. So we put some mass like a 1 gram or 10 gram or 50 gram, and we try our best to this wooden block moving a very easily frictionless, and that base we note down some answer. Now it is the last practical of first sem, this is before Diwali. The name of inclined plane. It is also a same friction practical, but here the difference is we create some angle. In the practical number 7, we have 0 angle, no degrees, but now practical number this 8th one, we create some angle, and that base we note down the values, in which value now this roller. So now this practical, we are using a glass surface. So this practical here, it is a surface of glass, and it is one of the metal roller, and we put some mass in this pen. So that time this roller moving a very easier on the surface, and that base we note down the mass in our record books. So here we create some angle like a 10 degree, it is a 20, 30, like a 5, 15 or 25 as per our convenience. We take 5 or 6 readings and we note down in our record books. So friends, here we discuss about the your syllabus for the first sem. In the first sem, how many you perform the practicals, and we showing here some setups. So friends, now after discussion these setups, again we the showing a list of all. So So it is our list. Look like a first number like a Vernier calipers, second number the screw gauge, third number it is a spherical like a spherometer, fourth number beam balance, fifth number parallelograms, a sixth number simple pendulum, seven number it is a friction surface, and the eighth number is inclined plane. So friends, it is a list of the experiment we performing before the Diwali means first sem. Now after we want a record book. So each and everyone showing this textbook. It is not textbook, it is your journal record book. So each and every one, this type of purchase of one notebooks like contains a 200 pages finally, and written here it is made only for physics practical. Now then after you open, so you showing a first page, it is a certificate page. What is the importance of this? It is your whole ticket, because in the time of exam must be required this page fill up with your names, after take my signature and the signature of the principal sir. Now you moving the page, so you found the index page. Index page have requirement, because you retain, suppose you perform the practical in one as a week, so that time you retain here some particular, means solve aim. Then after you retain here, it is a page number, date of the experiment. Whenever you perform, the date of which you return here. Now here it is a date of submission, in which date you submit me, and here it is my signature. Okay, so after continue showing here each and every practical serial wise written here, and then after take my signature before a 1 week. It is a compulsory, but now here is not possible. So after Diwali, I check all the practicals in the same day and same time, but day by day, week by week, whenever I put the practicals next time onwards, is an online base. So you each and everyone retain the readings in your notebooks compulsory. So after you book showing, starting here, so starting with the first page, and your practical books have 2 pages. Like one is a blank page, and second is a line page. So compulsory in the blank page, you retain observation tables and observations, and then after other things like aim, require materials, procedure, result, and the calculation. Each and everything written in this line page only. Suppose you have not enough space in the first page, so definitely you moving in the second page, and the continue your written from the years. Okay, and this notebook you found some in the back side, so it's a compulsory must be required some graph papers, because in our practical time some calculation must be required as a log. So it is also required you check whenever you purchase the books, and some graph papers, because in the physics practical compulsory and must be required to draw a graph. Okay friends, so here you showing some pages also attached in your this books. Okay, so friends, it is it is a discussion about the which type of books you purchase, and which books whenever you written in the this practicals. So friends, now in the 11th science practical conducted by the school, conducted by the me. So as per my experience, I know students perform the practical very easily in the exam time. But now the importance of the practical. In a 1 week, compulsory 3 periods should become in the school level. Compulsory. And that time you coming in the laboratories, and that time our work only with the practically. That time we are not working that to discuss other things, because practical knowledge I want to give you. As per my NIT experience, because I in my service in last 12 or 13 years is NIT college. So I give you a best from my side. In physics laboratory, what I want in the physics practical lab, whenever each and everyone coming in the time to time, working with the silent, it is a compulsory. You come with the scale, come with the one sharpener, pencil, and then after a one protector. Means fully compass box, and come with a one compulsory a one record book, and the physics textbook no require, because it is a very costly 250 rupees. So you purchase from your senior students, no problems. And I put a one PDF file also in this group, in the WhatsApp group. From this PDF file, you retain the aim, like a required materials, and procedure we are no want. We no want retain the procedure directly starting with the observations, observation table, and the calculation and the result. whenever our practical is completed. So friends, I really happy to talk with you, and today I come with the one introduction session. It is a first lab, first time in the online. Now second time, definitely I coming with the first practical. It is a live demo. So that time we understood about the practical number one, vernier calipers. So all friends, love bye, stay home, okay? Because now this critical condition we are not moving in the outside. Okay, bye.